Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain about the zoning mechanism. Okay, the zoning mechanism, which is nothing but in the fiber channel switch function that can enables the many number of nodes within the fabric. Okay, the fabric, which is nothing but within the area or within the network, all the nodes has to be connected. That method we going to call it as the fabric method or fabric connections. The fabric connections to be logically segmented into groups that can be communicated with each other. I am repeating the zoning method. The zoning method, which is nothing but a fiber channel switch function that can enables the nodes within the network that has to be logically segmented into groups. Okay, that group can be communicated with each other. This is what the zoning definition. The second point of the zoning, whenever we supposed to change the transaction, okay, so we have to send the state change notification to all the nodes. Here you look at this diagram. Here many number of servers, okay, that are going to connect it to our fiber channel network. Within that network, it is going to communicate with the storage arrays. Suppose I have to do some changes between the communication. Directly I can't do. So before that I have to send some notification. That notification, which is nothing but registered state change notification to all the nodes. Once the notification message will be received all the nodes, then only I can change the communications between the number of nodes and as well as the storage array. See, this is what happening at the zoning mechanism. This everything will be take care the controller. That controller we are going to call it as the fabric controller. Okay, the fabric controller based on the name server database, okay, it is going to send the notification to all the nodes as well as the storage array. The second point of the zoning mechanism, if zoning it is not configured, the fabric controller sends and the registered state change notification to all the nodes in the network. It is also involving the nodes that are not impacted by the change of the output in the increased fabric management traffic. And the zoning, it is also helps to limit the number of state change notification in the network. The presence of zoning, a fabric sends the change notification to only those nodes in a zone, okay, where the change has to be occurred. This is what the zoning mechanism. The second one is this is what the zoning members as well as the zone set and many number of the zone libraries. So this is the structure of the entire zone mechanism, how it is going to work. So first of all, the zone set, it is having the different types of zones as well as the members in the zone sets. Here the multiple zone sets may be defined to fabric, but only one zone set can be active at a time. I am repeating, A multiple zone sets, see these all are the multiple zone sets, may be defined as a fabric, means the multiple zone sets, okay, they are in one particular network, okay, and but only one zone set can be active at a time. A zone set is a set of zones. See, this is the zone set. It is a combination of zones, and a zone is a set of zone members. Yes. See, this will be a hierarchy format. The zone set will be a group of zone, and this zone will be a group of zone members. A member may be a multiple zones, yes, see it may be a vice versa, okay. A member may be a multiple zones and zone sets from the hierarchy. See, this is what all will be a vice versa for communication. Here the member are nodes within the storage area network that can be included in the zone. A zones compress a set of members that have access to one another. A port or a node can be a member of multiple zones. I am repeating, a zone, okay, these are the zones, okay, a zones compress a set of members, it is a combinations of members that have access one to another. Yes, the okay set of members, they can access one or many zones at a time. A port or nodes can be a member of the multiple zones. Yes, it may be a member or it may be a port, okay, both are the access the multiple zones at a time. A zone set, it is going to compress the group of zones that can be activated or deactivated as a single entity in the network. I am repeating, a zone set, it is going to compress the group of zones that can be activated or deactivated within the single entity network. Only one zone set that can be activated in the particular network. So, this is what the complete information about the zone hierarchy mechanism. And the next one is types of zoning. A types of zoning, before that, a zone set we are also called as the zone configuration. Okay. The next one is types of zoning. A types of zoning, it is going to categorized into three types. The first one is port zoning, second one is worldwide name zoning, and third one is mixed zoning. What is the port zoning? A port zoning, which is nothing but it is going to uses the fiber channel address of the physical ports that can be defines the multiple set of zones. I have told the zones, okay, it is a combinations of zone set, then the zone set it is going to connect it to the member of zones. See, these all are the hierarchy structures of the zones. So, the port zoning, okay, it is a totally based on the zones, and in port zoning it is also access to the data that can be determined by the physical switch port to the node, okay, is connected. I am repeating, a port zoning, it is going to access the data is determined by the physical switch port to the node is connected